Welcome to Learn and Speak Tamil like a native, video number 111. In this video, we're going to see some essential signboard phrases that you'll find in public places. This can, in a way, serve as an intro to formal Tamil, as these phrases, words, are formal ones. By the by, I'm going to gradually introduce formal language every now and then. If you're learning a language, it's important to understand some formal speeches, TV news, magazines, etc. It kind of, balances your learning and you'll not be going in just one direction. And now that you're somewhat familiar with spoken language, formal language becomes easier to learn and we are going to go slow and easy with it. And another important thing is it is just not Tamil, but every language that I know has a somewhat different set of words and phrases for formal language. You can check that in your own mother tongue. Having said that, Tamil is no exception. So today we are going to start with formal Tamil. Every now and then we'll see a formal video. Now here's the chart to check where we are at 111 videos, and this can help you make your learning more complete instead of going in just one direction. You could have a look. Please have a look at the post that I upload once in a while where I talk about updates and various other useful things. If you're new to this video and interested to learn Tamil step by step in an easy way, you can check the playlist of 111 videos. You can click above or find the information in the description. To make it easier for you, I have also added subtitles to videos that followed 110th video. But for the earlier videos, let me gradually do it as and when I find time. Silence or quiet please. You'll find them as Amaidi Kakavum. Amaidi Kakavum. Here, Amaidi means silence and Kakavum means maintain. Amaidi Kakavum. Amaidi is also a very informal term. We use it often. We'll say, Amaidhiya irunga, stay quiet. No entry inside. உள்ளே அனுமதி இல்லை. உள்ளே அனுமதி இல்லை. Anumadi means permission. வெளியார் உள்ளே அனுமதி இல்லை. Outsiders not allowed inside. வெளியார் means outsiders. வெளியார் உள்ளே அனுமதி இல்லை. உள்ளே செல்லும் வழி. Way to inside. வழி means inside. உள்ளே செல்லும் வழி. உள்ளே வழி. Both are commonly used words, while செல்லும் meaning leading to is a formal term. உள்ளே செல்லும் வழி. In, out, or as you see in some places, way in and way out. உள்ளே வெளியே. உள்ளே வெளியே. Leave the footwear outside. காலணிகளை வெளியே விடவும். காலணிகளை வெளியே விடவும். காலணிகள் means footwear. Push, pull. This is, we find them in doors. தள்ளு, இழு. தள்ளு, இழு. Gents, ladies. ஆண்கள், பெண்கள். You'll find this occasionally, especially in crowded area in public. ஆண்கள், பெண்கள். மகளிர் மட்டும், and that is ladies only or reserved for ladies. மகளிர் மட்டும். மகளிர் is women, மட்டும் means only women or reserved for ladies. மகளிர் மட்டும். அந்நியர்கள் அனுமதி இல்லை, strangers not allowed, which could mean the place reserved only for staffs or workers. அந்நியர்கள் means strangers or outsiders in this context. பூக்களை பறிக்காதீர், do not pluck the flowers. பூக்களை பறிக்காதீர். So this is a small little intro to formal Tamil. As you might have observed, the sounds are much more stressed, clear, and they're more rounded. And this is something you should also practice once in a while, which makes your speaking more effortless and nicer. All the best with your Tamil learning. We'll see you soon again in the next video.